Hello students, now continuation of previous video, geometry portion, cyclic quadrilateral. We had done MCQ part number B, now number C. ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral and AB is the diameter of the circle. Okay, so our diagram will be this. This is the center, AB is the diameter. This is the diagram. ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral and AB is the diameter. If angle ADC, that means this one, this angle is given 130 degree. Then BAC, we have to go. Okay, I am drawing it properly. This is the diameter. ADC, it is given 130 degree. And you have to calculate BAC. Okay. BAC is this. Okay. Now ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. So angle D given 130. So what will be the angle B? 180 minus 130, as you know, sum of opposite two angles of a cyclic quadrilateral is 180 degrees. So A B C will be 180 degree minus angle ADC. So 180 minus 130 equals to 50 degrees. So we have got this angle as 50. Clear? And you know, angle from diagram it is clear, AB is the diameter. So angle AOB is 180 degree. Again, another formula you know, that formula no, another property you know, that angle at the center is double of the angle at the circumference of a circle. Clear? So by that property we can write angle AOB is twice of angle BCA or ACB. So angle AOB means half angle ACB. First we will calculate. ACB means half of angle AOB by that property. Angle at the center is double of the angle at the circumference. Clear? So angle ACB will be half of AOB, that is 90 degree. So you have got this is 50, this is 90. So in this triangle ACB, in triangle ACB, what will be the value of BAC? 180 minus 50 plus 90. 140. Answer is 40 degree. Your option, second option is the correct option. 40 degree. Clear? So what we have done first, this is given. So opposite angle will be 180 minus this. 180 minus 130, it is coming 50. Again this one, angle at the center is double of the angle at the circumference. So this will be half of 180. So it is coming 90 degree. Now this is the triangle. We know this and this. So this one will be, this one will come from here 180 minus sum of other two angles. Now D. D ABCD is a cyclic parallelogram, then angle B is. Okay. Here it is told that ABCD is a cyclic parallelogram. Now, I think you have already proved this one, that cyclic parallelogram is a rectangle. This proof you have in rider form you have. Clear? I think you have done this. ABCD is a cyclic parallelogram. So angle B. So cyclic parallelogram is a rectangle. So each angle of a rectangle is 90 degree. So ABCD is a rectangle. So all the angles will be 90. A also 90, B also 90, C also 90, D also 90. So your option will be, second option is the correct answer, 90 degree. Clear? Now E. ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. Clear? And AB is the diameter of the circle. Angle ABC given 65 degree. DAC given 40 degree. Then you have to calculate the value of BCD. Okay, first I am drawing. What is given? ABC 65 degree. DAC 40 degree. You have to calculate BCD. Here BCD and DAC given, DAC. Okay, so we have to join this. ABC means this is given 65, DAC this is given 40. Clear? Okay. Now see, ABC given 65. So from here we'll get ADC. ADC will be 180 minus ABC. 180 minus 65. It is coming 115 degree. And AB is the diameter. Again, I have told in previous sum that angle at the center is double of the angle at the circumference. So AOB is 180 degree. So ACB will be 90 degree, half of that. So we have got this. Now this is given 40 and we have got this. This we have got, this we have got. Now we will calculate first this angle ACD. ACD means this is the triangle. So 180 degree minus sum of other two angles, sum of other two angles 115 degree, 115 degree plus this is given 40. This we have got 115 and this is given 40. So this will come 180 minus sum of these two. So it is coming 180. I have done the calculation, 25 degree it is coming. Angle ACD is coming 25. So you have to calculate BCD. BCD means this plus this. This we have got 90 and this 25. So we'll add. Therefore, angle BCD will be 90 degree plus 25 degree. 115 degree. Third option. So in all the problems you are seeing that what we are doing, we are applying that sum of opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral is 180 degree. Clear? And angle at the center is double of the angle of the circumference. These two properties we had applied. Now next one, SAQ part. In a cyclic quadrilateral ABCD, the sides AB and AD are produced to X and Y. If angle CBX given 120 degree, then calculate the value of CDY. Clear? CBAX given 120 degree, then calculate the value of this. Okay. First we are drawing. In a cyclic quadrilateral ABCD, AB is produced to X and AD is produced to Y. It will be straight. Okay, straight. And value of CBX, that means this is given 120 degree. You have to calculate the value of CDY. CDY, this you have to calculate. Okay. Now you see, there we will apply another property of cyclic quadrilateral, that this side of the quadrilateral, cyclic quadrilateral is extended. So this is the external angle. Now you know that external angle of a cyclic quadrilateral is equal to the opposite interior angle. Clear? This is the cyclic quadrilateral. So if any side is extended, then external angle equals to the opposite interior angle. So if it is 120 degree, it will also be 120 degree. Clear? Now this total is 180 degree. AD is extended to Y. This value is 180 and this is 120. So it will be 60 degree. Clear? Now we will write down step by step. First you will write AB is extended to X and angle CBX is given 120 degree. AD is extended to Y. We have to calculate angle CDY. Clear? And ADC equals to CBX. Why? As the exterior angle of a cyclic quadrilateral is equal to the interior opposite angle. Clear? By that property it will come 180. You will write down that property. Clear? So it is coming 120 degree. And again angle ADY equals to, it is a straight angle 180 degree, and we had got angle ADC as 120 degree. So what will be your CDY? 180 degree minus 120 degree, 60 degree. Now see this. Clear what I have done? Now number B, just now we have proved that ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral, and AB in MCQ part we have done. So again I am doing this. See. Number B. You will practice all these. ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral and AB is a diameter. If ADC 130 degree. Okay, first we have to draw. ADC, it is given 130 degree. Calculate BAC. This one you have to calculate. You know ADC 130. So what will be your ABC? ABC will be 180 minus ADC. Now you can calculate yourself also. ADC. So 180 degree minus 130 degree, it is coming 50 degree. So we have got this 50. Now again by the property of that, angle at the center is double of the angle at the circumference. So value of ACB, writing ACB will be half of angle AOB. So it is coming 90 degree. Now in the triangle ACB, we know this, we know that. We have to calculate this. So it is very easy. BAC equals to 180 degree minus sum of other two angles. 180 minus 140. So it is coming 40 degree. Here. So up to this we have done, completed, and next part of this worksheet you will get in next videos. Bye.